Alrighty, race fans, welcome to another edition of the Workbench. Well, today we're going to look at a potential product development. Something I've been kind of toying around with in the back of my mind here for a couple of months, and finally got some things here to demonstrate. So, as you know, we've got like a lowrider clip for the AFX style bodies, and it kind of dawned on me maybe something like that could be applied to the lifelike clip. Well, this is a Super 7 with a lifelike clip on it, and you can see where the body engagement tabs are right there. There's 4 of them on that. Something like, okay, what would happen if we kind of lowered those about half again? And we did a design and sent it out to Viper because he's got a really nice 3D printer out there that does a really good job. And they had to take a few little design liberties to get the thing to work right, but they did, and now we've got a 3D printed lifelike lowrider clip. So what does that do? Well, let's take a look here, and we've got couple examples here with some Super 7 GTS, and we got a Super 7 SC, and we got a Viper. So first off, let's I'm going to take this particular body, and we're going to, this is a lifelike, what I call the slim stalker. Alright, so there you go. And stick that on there and look at that. So kind of take a look and kind of get a little bit of a memory there for, you know, where the wheels fall in those wheel wells, okay, which isn't bad as it is. I mean, it does do pretty good, but we'll take a Super 7 with this lowrider clip on it and stick it in there, and yeah, look at that. Jam up. Check that out right there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Is that cool? I mean, that's exactly right. Just exactly right. Alright, let's we'll look at some other stuff. Let's take the truck. Alright, take and look at that with our standard lifelike clip. There, let's go. You know, it's not too bad. I mean, there's a little bit of air in the wheel wells. It's not horrible. Also, look at the amount of chassis that you can see underneath the body panel there. See, so here again, not bad. That's a little bit better. Really brings it down just a touch more where it looks better. Just really looks like it should. Now, one thing you got to be aware of on these kinds of deals, if a lot of these lifelike bodies got like a little chassis stop up here in the top, you may have to kind of bend that over because, you know, you're coming down with this and it may interfere. So some of the bodies you may have to do that with. I noticed it when I think I did the put the those test fitting stuff here with this Oldsmobile. Here's the factory standard clip. Okay, here again, not too bad, not too bad. You look at the clearance in there. Now, what I noticed when I tried to put this on is it did want to hit, so I had to kind of bend it out of the way some and get a little clearance. But now, especially in the front, you can see that it really closes up the air gap there in the front. It really, I think, makes it look far more scale appearing than that. This body here, probably this is I call it a rally. I think it's a Citroen Rally. Okay, so pretty good for the most part. Now, one of the things that this body exhibits, because it was originally made for a Lifelike car, is right now when you put it on, the bottom of the front bumper hits on this guide pin bumper on the chassis. It doesn't really interfere with it that much if you see it wiggle, but it's right on there. When you use the lowrider clip, it's going to kind of be a little on the tight side, so most likely on something like this you would want to have to shave that little bit of valance off right there to make it fit a little bit better, and it probably would drop that front down some, but nonetheless it does fit on and it does work. Okay, so anyway, right now we're going to run with these as being 3D printed. I'm not sure it's worth it to try to spend the money to do an injection mold on this, because it'd be very, very costly. Lifelike clips in and of themselves are not big sellers. They're steady sellers, but they're not really big sellers. So I think this will certainly be more than fit for service in that. So anyway, working with the Viper on this, and I think we've got ourselves another interesting part. All right, guys, thanks.